Hi guys, welcome to Yoruba Life TV. This is where we talk about African culture, traditions, and religion. Today I have a book for you, and this book is Holy Bifa, traditional Holy Bifa. So I just got it from the author, and I decided to introduce it to you because it has all the 256 Odu Ifa with four verses, four short verses each. So it's written in Yoruba language. So for those of you who are not Yorubas, who are not Yoruba speakers, I'm sorry. So for now, this book is in Yoruba. So maybe later on, the author would translate the book. So there are 256 Odu Ifa in there. As you can see, this is the content. Itokasi, that is the content. Then we have Ẹ̀kọ́ Kìíní, ìbéèrè àti ìdáhùn. Then the ẹ̀kọ́ kejì, ìwáyé òrìṣà ńlá. Ẹ̀kọ́ kẹta, àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ ayé ti ẹnu òfún méjì. Then ẹ̀kọ́ kẹrin, àṣeyọrí Ọ̀rúnmìlà láàrin ọjọ́ mẹ́rìndínlógún. So, but the first chapters are the 256 Odu Ifa that we have. So from Ejiogbe, we have four, let's say four verses, four short verses, and stanzas. We can say stanzas and verses. So there are stanzas, four stanzas each, which of course you can get information from those stanzas. So Ejiogbe, Oyeku méjì, Ìwòrì méjì, Ìdí méjì. So till Ofun Se, that is the last chapter of our 256 Odu Ifa. Ofun. Let me show you. I think I've checked it before. So this book is highly loaded. So if you are interested, you can message me via my WhatsApp number to place your order. Then wherever you are in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, this book will get to you. So till Ofun Ose. So this book is highly loaded. This is in fact the first 100 chapters of this book talks about the 256 Odu Ifa that we have. So that means you are not going to enjoy only the Odu Ifa. There are other information that you need to understand Ifa religion much more better in this book. So the first chapters are for the 256 Odu Ifa. Then moving forward, we have Láti di ọmọ Odu ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́, for you to understand Odu very well. So that's the meaning of láti di ọmọ Odu ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́. So if you want to be a child of Odu, this book is for you. So from page 109, we have Láti di ọmọ Odu ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́. So look at it. So you get the information. Wàá lọ ra igba. When you get it, you are going to get a directive on how to become a child of Odu. For those of you who want to practice Ifa very well, this book is pretty much for you. So there are other information that you are going to enjoy from this book. Ìwáyé òrìṣà ńlá. Ìwáyé òrìṣà ńlá, how òrìṣà ńlá came to the face of the earth. That is what you are going to enjoy from this chapter. That is from page 118. So moving forward, we have other information in this book. For those of you who want to be Ifa devotees, this book is pretty much for you because the author is highly knowledgeable in Ifa and is an experienced Babalawo and the spiritualist, so to speak. So we have, for those of you who want to understand how to prepare spiritual items, you want to know how to get help for yourself, how to make some ajesara, we call it ajesara, like how to fortify yourself. This book will guide you properly on how to fortify yourself. So I can't show you all right here, but I can assure you that this book has a lot of information, a lot of spiritual information that is needed for you to be fully fortified as a follower of Isheshe. So we have how to make use of all the Odu Ifas that we have, how to make use of the Ifa chapters to benefit yourself, to fortify yourself. They are all here. So apart from the fact that you are enjoying what Odu Ifa say, or what all the 250 Odu Ifa say, you are still going to enjoy how to make use of all this Odu Ifa to benefit yourself, to fortify yourself. So ẹ̀yin Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé nǹkan tiwa lárugẹ, ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sí ìṣẹ̀ǹbálẹ̀ wa o, ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sí ìṣẹ̀ǹbálẹ̀ wa. It is very important because this is our own heritage, because our land is our land, and I can assure you that when you use your own, when you pray through your own orishas, through your own guidance angel, I can assure you that your prayers will be answered. That is exactly what I know, because we are all from Yoruba, as we are black, we are Africans, and the Olodumare gave us our own orisha, our own angels to guide us. So this book is pretty much good for you. If you are interested, you can message me via my WhatsApp number that is displayed on the screen to place your order. Then you can check the description section of this video to get a direct link on how to order for this book. Traditional Holy Bifa. You can see, so this book is very, very good. So I will be uploading the author's interview very soon, so that you will be able to know who the author is. Thank you very much. So if you are interested, message me via my WhatsApp to place your order. So there are other ones. You can buy the 3 together. So these are the books that the author personally used in his own shop, in his own Ifa temple. So these are what he used. I think this is the author. This is the author. Enu Oloye Ifaleke Awurela. So this is another one, Apapo Odu Cultural Association. Apapo Odu Cultural Association. So this is what they use in their temple. So these 3 books, according to what they told me, according to what he told me, these are what they use in their temple. Okay, so thank you very much. If you're interested, the 3 of them are pretty much available. So you can message me to place your order. Thank you very much, and get a better life.